Now, if you're using Design X Plus or Pro, you can make some different analysis on the part. So of course you can make still deviation from body to have the same kind of corner map. And again, it was 0.2 here. And then you can make different control. So here you can still come back here and make, for example, here a fillet. I will make a fillet of 1 millimeter, for instance, here and there. And of course, I will get instant feedback of what is the accuracy. You can see that my face is 0.5 millimeters higher, so it should be 0.5 millimeters. I can still check the radius of the part as we did before. And okay, it was 1.5. All right, so then on top of those analyses, I can make different type of analysis, deviation from mesh, we've seen it before, but we can also see the curvature. So if I hide my part, I can see the curvature of the model. Curvature comes, so I can add a section on the part and ask the software to make analysis on that section. Okay, and then maybe make some check on that and increase if I want to the vector multiplier. So again, this is a standard part, so the curvature is not high. And then I can also check for continuity between faces. So I can check continuity here in position, in tangency, or in curvature. So of course, curvature is not going to work because it's just a standard sketches. Isolines. So if you have freeform surfaces, you could see the isolines. So here it's not freeform surfaces. Environment maps, you can make stripes and different things like that.